Trick or treat, bitch. Give me my fucking candy. And this is the look we're gonna be doing today. Welcome back, thotties. It is my Halloween costume from like 10 years ago. It's super easy. You don't have to try it. This is perfect for costume parties. It's a zombie look. This is what I came up with. This is what I did when I was 10. I was like, this is a zombie. This is a zombie. Bitch, looks like a skeleton or a vampire at a snack. Like, I don't, Oh my god, that was not my hair. That was not my hair. And why did I put a white t-shirt? And it was ripped. I didn't want to rip this one because it's not my shirt, first of all, and neither is this shirt. But why did I think, oh yeah, like a white ripped shirt over a black t-shirt? Like, yeah, I just looked like a weird, like, skater demon. So let's get started. I look like that one guy. I look scary. Yeah. Fuck it. Let's get right into it. Oh, I can make do. I can make do. I have black eyeliner. See, I was worried for a second because I was like, I don't have black paint. But then I was like, yes I do. I have eyeliner and eyeshadow. Taking Black Hole from the Alien palette and just letting go. I have so many cavities. Well, I had. See, now I started taking care of my teeth, so I don't get them anymore. And then it's like this. We can make it look more spookier than it did when I was a kid, hopefully. Hopefully. My eyes look scary. Take a Q-tip and just I don't know. I was always the kid on Halloween to dress scary and not cute. Now's the time for the face paint. Back to the face paint. Same face paint I used for that one tutorial. Why the face paint? When did you stop trick-or-treating? When I tried to do it at 15, I got bored and I went to Target and just bought candy. Cause I kept getting nasty looks. I'm like, bitch, I want free candy, the fuck? That's the bottom of the pan? The pan is that short? Bitch, what if I want to paint my face white every day? The fuck? Zombie paint. It's good that the black is mixing into this because it wasn't, I mean it looks white, but it wasn't entirely white. It was very patchy then, but I think that's because we didn't have enough paint, or we were running out of time before it was trick-or-treating hours, and I was like, I don't care! I will say though, my hair looked like really poofy, like whoosh. Now that we have this part done, all I need is red and I should be done. I might actually take some eyeshadow to make this look more blood colored. This old lady didn't open her door for me. It's like, rude. Put the treats in the bag, please. Put them in the bag. I have nothing in the bag. Not gonna give me candy because I look like a fucking serial killer. It trickled down my neck. Cute. So I rubbed it around my mouth a bit more, and just for some like extra touch, I'm going to grab some red. Let's grab cherry soda. It's a darker red. Otherwise I'm gonna use like fresh meat. Little me would be proud. Kind of messed up there, but I think I got it. Perfect. What am I? I'm a zombie, bitch. The fuck? Yeah. Yes, zombies can look like this. Are you a zombie like me, bitch? The lights make me look so white. Oh god. Wait, this is probably what I looked like. Sure, I had my hair down like this because it was cold, but eventually I think I put on a hat. Give me candy, bitch. Give me your fucking candy, bitch. I'm lost. I look like a ravenous hobo with really nice sunglasses.